Ugogo kuthiwa ubehambisa abazukulu bakhe emzini wakhe ngemuva kokuthi kungene amanzi ekhaya labo. Kuthiwa usebenzise indlela abethi izomfikisa ngokusheshsha endlini ngemuva kokuthi umgwaqo abahamba ngawo ugugulekile. Kuthiwa uzamile ukuwela ebhlohweni kodwa umfula ubudla izindwane. Imoto imuke nabo phakathi. Imizimba yabo itholakale lapha.
On the route to Flamingo Heights, we had the water turning like a whale, like a puddle, and we had the storm waters that all was blocked, and that water, this like a tidal pool was there, and it just swept that vehicle into the small stream. When I say small stream, it's a very small stream. And that car was there. We couldn't see the car because it was quite late, and when we stood there, the water was above our waist level.
Umndeni uthi lesigameko simshiye ehlukumezekile.
There's no decent sleep because when I open my eyes, I can picture the baby. When I close my eyes, I can picture the baby. And you know, it's the baby that's I'm not going to forget. I had to pick up a baby on the floor.
Imindeni eminingi isale dengwane kule ndawo. Ihholo lomphakathi alikwazi ukuthi likhoselise abantu ngoba nalo lingenwe amanzi. Umndeni unqabile ukukhuluma nabezindaba. Londe Khatebe, SABC News, uthongathi.